Greetings of the day. Good morning, children. Welcome back to your geography class. Let's continue lesson number 3, our ever-changing Earth. The topics which we are going to discuss today are effects of endogenic forces and volcanoes. Effects of endogenic forces. Endogenic forces cause movements of the Earth's crust. These movements can be slow or sudden. Sudden movements may lead to earthquakes, landslides, and volcanic eruptions. Slow movements cause landfolding and faulting, as well as elevation, mountains, and depression, rift valleys of the land. Today, we are going to discuss in detail about the volcanoes. Volcanic eruptions. Molten magma lies under great pressure inside the earth. When this magma reaches a weak point or a crack in the earth's surface, it comes out with a great force. A volcano is an opening in the earth's crust from where molten magma, ashes, gases, and steam are emitted with a sudden force. Molten magma, which erupts from the volcano and falls on the earth's surface, is called lava. The tunnel-like part of the volcano through which lava and other molten materials are emitted are called a vent or shaft. A vent has large cup-shaped mouth called crater. Types of volcanoes. Volcanoes are differentiated on the basis of how frequently they erupt. Volcanoes that erupt frequently are called active volcanoes. For example, the Barren Island in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Volcanoes that have not erupted for the past many years but may become active at some stage are called dormant volcanoes. For example, Mount Fujiyama in Japan. Volcanoes that have not known to erupt for hundreds of years and are not likely to do so in future are called extinct volcanoes. For example, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. Often, the lava coming out of a volcano accumulates around it. This lava cools and solidifies to form a volcanic mountain such as Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. When molten magma erupts from a long crack or fissure in the earth's surface, it spreads to form a volcanic plateau, such as the Deccan Plateau in India. Lava emitted from volcanoes solidifies on the earth's surface to form volcanic rocks, which in turn break down and form a very fertile soil called black soil. Volcanic eruptions also bring valuable minerals to the earth's surface.